woke up bruised again.
What up, guys? It's Saturday. We're here at the Fair Oaks Bike Park, and this bike park holds a real special place in my heart. It's the first place I learned how to hit a little kicker because it's got a nice mild little kicker on it, and it kind of taught me how to jump. So let's get in here, let's check it out, and let's have some fun. This is the kids area. Right here, there's a little pump track. There's a little dirt kids pump track. There's a skills area behind me with the tube here. This is really cool. It's a nice little warm-up area before we get over to the kickers. There's a really cool tunnel here. There's some rollers, places to learn skills. It all kind of transitions into what we like to do. And that's ride bikes. There's a nice little shady area for when you're ready. But let's go check out the jumps over here. This is the bigger area. This is like the adult section of the Fair Oaks Bike Park. Behind me here, we got some kickers. Over on this side, we got a little flow line going. In the back here's another place to start. But let's go check out some of the stuff. From the back here, we got a little flow line that way that runs the length. You can ride up and then hit the kickers. From this side over here where we're standing, you can take this line right here. These are the guys that are gonna be riding today. We gotta get Colby a helmet. Still been telling him, gotta get you a fucking helmet, bro. Gotta get you a helmet, a little something to protect your noggin. All right, let's get it.
Chain singing by the gate, decks all lined like tea. I came to swing and skate. Front tire kissing the lip, back wheel on a prayer. A bunny hopped the drain, and the hobo stare. Hey, you see me now cutting through the crowd. Left foot, right foot, take the corner loud. Hey, you see me now, I'm circling again. One more lap around, then I'm in the bed. BMX at the park. BMX at the park. BMX at the park. Spin it, spark. BMX at the park. BMX at the park. Catch me on the arc. BMX at the park.
All right, that looks like that's gonna be it here from the Fair Oaks Bike Park. We're gonna head over to the Fair Oaks Skatepark now and check it out, so let's get over there. What up, guys? We made it. This is the Fair Oaks Skatepark. There's some really cool features here. This place is big. It does look like it's built in the middle of a basketball court, or maybe it was a pickleball court, but it's really cool, so let's check out some of the features. This in the middle is a nice little fun box. There's this cool rail in the center that looks like it's easy to grind on. Coming up from here, hopping up to here to grind, that looks really cool. Over here on this far side, there's a bank. There's a bank on this side with the rail. And then if we come over here on this side, there's a little bit of transition right here on this bank. That's pretty cool. There's a K-rail in here that I don't know if we're gonna be able to get up on, but that might be kind of cool to do something on. They've got this really cool bench right here that looks very grindable. Not quite sure what that is, but oh, here's a low rail. These little low rails here are really my favorite because I can get on them and I can get on them. This is what I've been learning to grind on as soon as I get this stupid thing off. On this end of the park, there's this really cool dual ramp that leads to nothing, but it looks really fun maybe to get up on. We've got curbs over here. There's a ramp. There's this spine that I'm gonna have to gas Colby up to hit this spine right here. This has got Colby's name written all over it right here. And then we got another little place to hit a rail here, but this is the Fair Oaks Skatepark.
BMX at the park.
BMX at the park.
Spin it, spark.
BMX at the park.
BMX at the park.
Catch me on the arc.
Be on the arc.
BMX at the park. BMX at the park. Whoa, oh, 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 oh. Salt in the breeze, sand on the floor, ripping through the gate by the ocean shore. Chrome frame shining in the 10 o'clock sun. Bowls looking empty, sessions just begun. Tires hum soft on the sun-baked concrete. Ocean sound mixing with the pedal beat. Riding BMX on the coastal line, carving out lines through the warm sunshine. Air off the hip with the tide coming in. Drop to the bowl, do it all again. Just surf, side, concrete, sea, foam, spray, coastal park, kick, rolling all damn day. Dust off the pegs, hit the quarter pipe ledge. Bar spin, landing right on the edge. Wipe away the sweat, hear the palm trees sway. Boardwalk crowd watching from a block away. Drop back down, tail whip to the flat. Catching good light in a vintage cab. Riding BMX on the coastal line, carving out lines through the...
All right, guys, it's that time again. It's my favorite time. It's bike park review and the air conditioner time. Today's hot. It's like 95 degrees today. It's really hot. But let's start with the reviews. Today we went to the Fair Oaks Bike Park and the Fair Oaks Skatepark. Let's start with the bike park. The bike park was hot. It was dusty. It was dirty. It was run down. It doesn't look like it's been kept up in a long time. So I'm going to give that park a review of 3. Just because it was so rocky, it was so dirty, it was dusty, there was no shade, super hot. It definitely looks like somebody needs to go over there and do something to it, like just upkeep it. It doesn't look like it's been kept up in a while. The Fair Oaks Skatepark was really unique. It was really fun. There were some cool features. It had shade, it had grass. I'm going to give this one a 7. It was very limited to what you can do, but it was very fun. So overall it was fun. So we'll say the bike park was a 2, the skate park was a 7. Anyway, it was fun. We had a good day. We got outside, we rode bikes, we touched grass, and just had an overall good time, guys. I want to thank you guys for watching the video. Don't forget to hit like and subscribe. And until next time, peace out.